Yo, good morning, guys. Your boy's fitted, getting ready for ThriftCon, but your boy got the 85 pants on. I was gonna be wearing the Amazon slides, super chill. But it's the morning of ThriftCon. Trying to stay quiet. Boo Boo's still sleeping. We're about to head out. I'm super excited, but I'm tired. It's time to get this bread, baby. Let's go. Good morning, dog.
Let's get it, though. Let's get this shit. Fucking long.
5 a.m. Yo, ThriftCon, if y'all are watching this, this is high-key whack that we gotta park this far to load in. I thought there was gonna be a parking lot. We're literally on the street, maybe like 2 blocks down, and then the building's right there, the one that says the roof. I don't know how we're gonna unload this, but we gotta make it happen. Alright, we're here at the loading dock. Got the big boy wagon. Okay, everyone.
I know, I told you.
Alright, you got it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Alright, I guess the walk is not too bad since we got this big wagon. Alright, we made it in. Our loading time was at 7 o'clock, but we just decided to come through and just see if they would let us in. So now we're here hella early. Look at the venue. Yo, this is fire. This is hard. It's about to be crazy. Look at all this. We did it in one trip. We did not want to go back. Yo, this is looking crazy. No one here got 4 innocent teas. That's wild. Let's go. Yo, this is looking crazy. We're not even done yet. Y'all ain't never seen 4 innocents hung up at a vintage event. This is wild, bro. With the big payback, boy. Alright, y'all, let me give you a little update. It's looking good. I mean, not yet. I still got all this stuff to organize, but everything is pretty much hung up. I brought the Yeezy Gap hoodies, all of them. I'm gonna tag all of them. And I brought the shorts vault out, man. I never brought these out before, so this is crazy. We got the grass down here. I got the bags. I'm about to bag all the bangers, because we gotta keep those crispy, you feel me? Alright, let's get it. Just gotta clean up a little bit, but we getting there. Homie Jug pulled up, copped the little light pieces, Stussy.
Little Stussy.
And then the Russell.
Man.
Appreciate you, dog. Your boy had to use the restroom real quick, but let's walk in. I'm gonna give you all a tour. We'll start walking around. This is looking crazy, bro. The heat that they got in here is wild. There's the homies right here. What's up, doggy?
What's good, boy?
Good, bro. Good, bro. What's up, bro? I like your shirt, dog.
I appreciate you.
Huh? That's crazy, bro. It's like $100 bucks. Right?
Check the vans, though. Come on. Free Lakers shirt.
Stop.
This is how a deal goes down.
Stop, my boy. I'm your boy. I came here for you.
Oh my god.
Don't be doing this to me like I see how it is.
You fucking killing me. Holy shit. I'm fucking
Come on, my boy.
What are you running?
Stop.
Let me see the white tee. The Laker one?
Stop.
What is this? A plain one?
Like
Hey,
a
you
back
want the
hit.
Jordan
Oh,
set?
that one's hard.
You gotta get the homie right there. He just copped the
He copped that.
Copped the fucking Urban Jungle.
Oh, shoot.
You want this?
Homie copped the Urban Jungle off Rewind. Show it off, bro. Let me see it. Sheesh. Crispy. Fire, bro. Yo, I didn't even see he had the matching shorts on. Wow. Look at
Oh, look
this.
at this here.
This is crazy. The full tee and shorts.
Go, my boy. This is a real
Man.
vintage. Kanye, right?
First person to cop the Yeezy Gap hoodie. Size XL. 110. Appreciate you, dog.
I'm even taking this hit off already.
Homegirl's about to cop the shiny Nike jacket for the steel 40. Appreciate you. Alright, y'all, I'm about to head downstairs real quick. Gotta head back to the whip real quick because I gotta go get my croissant. Huh? Yeah. Say what's up. Appreciate you. Alright, she's leading the way. Oh yeah, this is perfect.
Is it back here?
Yeah, it's back there. Thank you so much. Alright, made it to the loading dock. This is where we were in the beginning. I gotta go to my car just to get a croissant, actually. I'm freaking hungry. Oh shoot, there's food trucks outside. Okay! This is where the food at, boy. Let's see what we're gonna eat later. I honestly don't know where the line is for the entrance, but probably over there on the left side. Oh, there it is. Sheesh. Shoot, the homie's calling me. Oh, come on, Aaron. Answer that. Hello?
How much is your gray Mickey, the 80s one?
I could do 30 on that.
30 bucks?
Yeah.
Run it, alright.
Okay, bet. Okay. Let's go. Let's make a sale, baby. Alright, now where the heck did my croissant go? I know I had it. Oh, right there. It's on the other side, boy. Alright. I got my croissant. Low-key stale, or kind of hard because it was cold, but it's cool. I gotta eat it. I'm hungry. Alright, the homies copping the Mighty Duck shorts. Appreciate you. I got change for you. Sean's copping the Ben shorts. Fire.
Thanks.
Take it easy, Sean.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Homie trying on the 80s fishing jacket. So crazy. The patches on this thing is wild.
Just want to shit.
Homie's copping the jean jacket, acid wash. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. And the homie right here is copping the Nike shorts.
I like it.
Appreciate you.
Oh yeah. Appreciate it. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Copping the Yeezy Gap hoodie. This is actually my favorite color. Homie's copping the Dickies. Cool. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Let me just get the hanger. Yeah.
Oh my god, I really
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. He's copping the Dickies for 30. Appreciate you, bro. Crazy. Homie trying on the Stussy, the jersey. Fire. Super crispy. He's taking the Stussy jersey.
Sir.
For steel. Appreciate you, dog. Yes, sir. Homegirl's copping the reverse satin jacket. Appreciate you.
Oh,
Yeah. Copping these two tees off the homie next door. Both size XLs. He's giving them both to me for 110. Appreciate you, dog. Yes, sir. Yo, homie really hooked this up for a steal. Basically, I paid 55 on each. This one alone, I never even seen this one before. It's a newspaper tee, but it says Hoop LA Lakers beat Pacers for NBA title. That's crazy, dude. This is the one where he jumped on him. Oh my god, this is an iconic one, and it's a size XL. Wild. My homegirl came through and copped the steal on the Betty. Long sleeve, super fire one. Thank you. Appreciate that.
recall.
Nice little Heineken crew neck with the collar. Thank you.
Hey.
Homie came through. He's copping the Chick Hearn and the Kendrick. Appreciate you, dog. Homie's copping the two-tone Nike shorts. Appreciate you, dog. Homie's taking the Denver Broncos crew neck. Appreciate you, dog. Yes, sir. Homie's taking the Coogee. Super colorful. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you, man. Taking the 70s Pendleton. Thank you. Homie's taking the Knockout Mamba Sud. Appreciate you, dog. Yes, sir. Homie's copping the Carhartt.
Yeah.
$30 steal. Thank you, bro.
Sure, I appreciate it.
Sir. Alright, this is the moment we've been waiting for.
Oh Lord.
The homies pulled up and got us some food. Oh my god.
What was rewind? Huh? 200? That's a good price.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Let me keep looking.
Yeah.
You let me know. You let me know.
Alright, back to business, man. This is what we really came for.
Yeah, that shit. Oh, shit. Hold on. Hold on.
Imagine you rip it and it just all falls off.
You know, we got a little bit of.
What do we got?
Oh, a little
Chicken katsu? Hell yeah.
This is the entree.
This one I think has everything in it. Okay, okay.
You see
Yeah,
the
Hawaiian food is
you
nice.
see the
You see the glaze on it?
yeah.
Is that Masubi's, I'm assuming?
Masubi's?
Is it? Oh yeah,
What
one
Masubi?
Masubi.
Bet.
Alright, it's time to grub, man. We hungry. Copping the two-tones, vintage Nike. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Take it easy. Rewind. Rewind. Homie's copping the vintage Columbia vest. $15 still. Thank you, bro. Homegirl's copping the ABC World of Sports. Thank you. That's right, baby. One trip every time. Alright, y'all. We're winding down. I'll give you a review of the event. It was cool. Waiting for the homie Rewind to come out right now, but we're about to do another one trip back to the car. We're only do one trip, baby, every time. But yeah, if I don't get an outro, I just want to say I appreciate everyone who showed love, everyone who pulled up, and everyone who caught something from me. A lot of the inventory I'm going to be moving to SD at Off the Bench San Diego for Kais and Dylan. I'm going to bring the bangers there, so y'all better be ready if you're in SD or if you're pulling up. But yeah, like always, you already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Shout out to the homie Rewind for vending with me. My bad, my hands are all sanitized. I know.